to part 3 of this mini-series within Healthy Hair Notes. Today I am sharing with you the third and final hair accessory that I made using scrap fabric from sewing projects past. This one is a doozy. After I created this practice headband, I actually had some leftover blue knit fabric that was supposed to be the original material for the original headband that I was supposed to make. So my creative gears started turning and I came up with this really awesome, versatile tube of fabric. It's essentially an infinity scarf for hair. Let's get started. I started out by measuring the length of my head. Since this is an experiment, I wanted there to be enough fabric to cover my forehead and have enough for the length of the tube to come down to my neckline. I tested the elasticity to see how far this knit fabric would stretch after I cut it to the measurement. I researched several stitches that were used for stretchy fabric and found that the zigzag stitch would work the best. This tube of fabric was literally an excuse for me to practice using a zigzag stitch. After finishing the back of the tube, it was time to engineer the front. I incorporated the very first version of the turban that I made by adding an elastic band to the already elastic knit fabric. Looking back at this, I think just one zigzag stitch down the middle of the fabric would have been enough. I was able to attach this elastic and still make it stretch. And luckily, at the end of all of the sewing, right at the last minute, I ran out of bobbin thread. But hey, I was already done with this, so it worked. It served its purpose well, as the tube doesn't slip off of my head, since I did make this a little bit bigger, since I didn't want to waste any of the fabric that I had purchased. So this is technically not scrap fabric, but repurposed fabric. How about that? Not only is this a really thick headband, it can also double as a hair scarf. During the beginning of my healthy hair journey, I liked to wear hair scarves to class when I was in college. Just something really quick I could throw on. And they were decorative too, so they looked nice and presentable. But I also had a hard time trying to figure out how to tie them. So here is this infinity scarf, if you will, for your hair. It just serves one function now. The mister has been using it as a scarf to bed, and this actually doesn't fit my head anymore like it did in the beginning. So I was planning on demonstrating how you could wrap your hair up in the scarf by, I guess you would twist the end here, and then you could tuck it in the back here, but it's already slipping off of my head. Like I said, this was just it's just a brainchild of mine, but Mr. wears it, and he likes it a lot. With that being said, thanks for watching part 3 of this mini-series within Healthy Hair Notes. I post every week, and if you liked what you saw, don't forget to also hit that subscribe button and share this video with a friend. I'm Lydia Ashley, Future Master Needlewoman, and I'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to also hit this video with a friend. What? Welcome to part 3 of this mini hair series within Healthy Hair Notes. I have made 3 hair accessories that I would like to share with you. They have been made from the scrap fabric. Oh, I'm fast. No, I need to slow down. Okay. Significant. Airplanes. That's all.